So lifting and handling is very important to do safely. I'd like you to imagine here that I've got a shopping trolley and my car boot. Now, in reality, I'd probably have them as close as possible, but so you can see my feet, they're at a little bit of a distance. So what we don't want to do is strain our back. So I'll show you the wrong thing to do and then I'll show you the right thing to do. So here we are. I'm picking up my shopping bag and I'm twisting. Don't do that. Instead, pick up your shopping, hold, or whatever the bag is, hold it close to you, and then it's a 3-step. 1, 2, 3, and place. And you can see as I'm placing, I'm going down, I'm bending my knees and my hips and my ankles as much as I can. Maybe one leg doesn't work so well, so that's the leg I've got behind me. I've got my stronger leg in front, and I'm placing, so what I'm not doing is bending like that. I'm keeping my back in a nice natural position to the greatest extent I can. The other thing I'd suggest is maybe having a big piece of plastic there in the boot of the car, so when you're putting things in, you can slide them in. It just makes it that little bit easier. So remember, don't lift and twist, do your 3-step. Thanks.